I'm back. So I know it's been a while, over a year now, so I've been mostly working on this, which I think it turned out pretty good. I'm not going to be talking about this costume today, but maybe in some future video. Today I'm going to be starting a new project, and I did notice most of the comments on my cupcake video were on how to make tutorials of it. So now I'm going to show you how to make my next costume with me, so then you can kind of just follow along. I want to keep you guys busy. I've been gone for a while. I need to make up for what I've lost. So I'm going to split this video up into a whole bunch of different parts. Does that make sense? It makes sense. You've watched YouTube videos before. If you haven't, then I'm glad I'm the first person you're watching on YouTube. I don't know why, but we're here. So let me go change it to something a little more comfortable. Okay. This was a real spring walk suit, I'd be dead. Okay. Hello, and welcome back to Milo Smiles. And today we will be building I forgot. Freddy Fazbear. Took me a while. So, I got the designs laid out, and I got my friend in the background, and I just started on the base of it. It's actually pretty simple, so what I did is I just measured it, like, out on myself. I don't know how I did it, but Andiematronic, I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce her name. She makes really good videos on like how to make stuff like this, and so yeah, just go check her out if you want to know how to do this. I'll leave her YouTube channel link in the description. And so what I just made it, but then I added two of these on the side, so then it gives it kind of like that fatness that Freddy has, because he's like, so he's got a little chub. So I'm actually going to put this on it, on the front, for his like belly fat. See that like chub he's got like, he's round. So I'm gonna be working pretty fast, and you guys just gotta keep up. So you may be wondering why it's all so blocky right now. Basically what I'm doing is I'm going to be like shaving it down, carving it down to make the shape into like a chub, if that makes sense. Make sure you have a lot of glue sticks, because you are going to need like a lot. Sometimes you just gotta bear hug it. Also, don't be worried that it doesn't stick 100% of the time. It just does that sometimes. All you gotta do is just slather on more glue and just be patient and wait for it to dry. Is this a fit or is this a fit? Also, what's really good, but not necessary at all, is to keep what's called an engineering notebook. And so I am keeping track of everything, including this video, so I'm kind of double doing it. Okay, so I'm thinking of editing the video now because this is probably going to take a little bit of time to edit, and I just really need to push out this video because I guaranteed you guys a video, and I need to roll this out as fast as possible. But before I go, I do want to give you guys a little tour of what we've got so far. Okay, so we got the torso, we got this big piece right here for the belly fat, and these two side pieces that are going to act as like just the thickness of Freddy. So this, I cut it in half in the back because I'm going to add a zipper, and this is how I'm going to get into the suit. I need to get something that's going to be able to like cut this foam really easily, an electric knife or something like that, so then I can cut this foam like faster, because I remember doing Springtrap and that took forever. So thank you guys all for watching, and I will hope to see you guys next time on Milo Smiles. Goodbye!